My dear friends, welcome to A1 Aptitude Academy. In today's video, we will discuss the syllabus of subject Hindi Core or Hindi A, and code number is 002. A video in Hindi language has already been uploaded of this subject. If you are comfortable in Hindi, you can watch that video. But if you are comfortable in English, you can watch this video. So whole syllabus has been divided in two parts, that is term 1 and term 2. So equal distribution of marks is there for term 1 and term 2, that is 40 marks. Total syllabus is of 80 marks, then internal marks are 20. Okay, now here first we will discuss the distribution of 80 marks. So 80 marks have been divided in two sections, two terms, term 1 and term 2. So Khand A means term 1, and there will be 53 multiple choice questions. You will have to attempt only 40 questions out of 53 in term 1. Then in term 2, that means Khand B, you will have descriptive type questions and no multiple choice question will be asked in term 2. Okay, so you will have to use your normal answer sheet and pen in term second. Now we will discuss the description of or details of the whole syllabus. So first topic is Apathit Gadyansh, that means unseen passage, and there are two unseen passages of 5 marks each. So first unseen passage, that means Apathit Gadyansh. So 150 to 200 words. Okay, and 1 into 2 and 1 into 5, 1 multiplied by 5, that means 5 questions of 1 mark each. Okay, you will be asked 5 questions of 1 mark each, and you will have some choice also. Then in second unseen passage, again of 150 to 200 marks, again 5 questions of 1 mark each with some choice, internal choice. Total marks are 5. Now what is the difference between two passages? So first passage will be based on prose and second passage will be based on poetry. Gadyansh and Kavyansh. Kavyansh means poetry, that is some part of a poem. Then Gadyansh means prose. So you will have two unseen passages of 5 marks each. So we have discussed the distribution of 10 marks. Now next section is grammar or Vyakaran. So 16 marks have been allocated for grammar or Vyakaran. Now what are different topics you have to study in grammar? So first topic is रचना के आधार पर काव्य भेद, that means रचना के आधार पर वाक्य भेद, types of sentences, different types of sentences. So 4 marks for this topic. Then vachya, voice, 4 marks. Then pad parichya, 4 marks. Then ras, 4 marks. So this is the distribution of 16 marks allocated for grammar. Now next is your textbooks. So we are discussing the syllabus of term 1. So all the questions are multiple choice questions. You will have to keep in mind that we are discussing only multiple choice questions here. Now first textbook is Kshitij part 2. Now Gadya Khand. So total 7 marks for Gadya Khand, and types of questions will be multiple choice questions, 5 questions of 1 mark each from this section Kshitij, your textbook Kshitij, and 2 questions will be some of high level questions from Kshitij again. So total question number of questions are 7, and total marks are also 7 because each question has only 1 mark. Now we move to Kavya Khanda, that means poetry. So 7 marks have been allocated to this section. Again, you will have 7 questions, 5 normal questions and 2 high level questions. So are total marks are 7, total questions are 7 also. Again from the book Kshitij. Now this is the end of term 1 syllabus. That means term 1 multiple choice questions syllabus ends here. Now we will discuss the syllabus of term 2nd, that means Khand B, and you will have to write the answers of question here with normal on your normal sheet, normal answer sheet. Now we see the distribution of marks and distribution of 40 marks exactly here. So first is Padya Khand, sorry, Gadya Khand, a Gadya Khand. Again, book is Kshitij. Now, Nirdharit Patho, that means selected lessons. Okay, you have to prepare only selected lessons. That means you have to use reduced syllabus. Now, total marks are 8 marks here and 2 into 4. That means 2 marks question and number of questions will be 4. Okay, so these are 4 questions of 2 mark each from Kshitij. That means you will be asked short answer, very short or short answer type questions here. Then from poetry, Kavya Khand, again total marks are 6 and 2 into 3, that means 3 questions of 2 marks each from poetry from Kshitij. Then third is book number 2nd, Kritika, and total marks 6, again 3 into 2 here. So that means 2 questions of 3 marks each. Okay, 2 questions here only. Now we have completed the literature section here, 20 marks of literature section. Now we have remaining 20 marks, and in 20 marks we have writing section. So in writing section you will have to write a paragraph of 5 marks. Okay, Anuched Lekhan 5 marks, then letter writing 5 marks, then you have advertisement or Vigyapan Lekhan 5 marks, and last you have Sandesh Lekhan 5 marks. So this is the distribution of 20 marks. So we have discussed 40 marks for term 2nd and totally discussed 80 marks for the external examination of Hindi subject Hindi A. Now remaining 20 marks are with school, okay, internal marks. Now these are the books, your textbooks, Kshitij and Kritika. Now this is the reduced syllabus. Some parts of the syllabus are have been cut. So these are the lessons which you are not to study. So you can take screenshot of this page. Now we have reached the end of this video, and if you like this video, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and we will certainly meet in some other video. Jai Hind.